Here's Jesse. He's still working on becoming more independent. He chose his outfit for the day, put on his jacket, and even zipped it up. Now, he just needs to put on his shoes. It's really good to know how to tie your shoes on your own. You won't have to ask for help if your shoes need to be tied at any time throughout the day. Of course, there are some shoes with no laces, but being able to tie your shoes means you will be able to choose any pair of shoes out there. When your shoes have laces, you really don't want to leave them hanging down as you walk around. Ooh, by the way, the laces are the strings in your shoes that are used to keep the shoes tight. Laces are also something you do not want to trip over, so we better keep them tied. Let's work on it. Here are the steps for tying your shoes. First, cross the laces. Push one through the hole and pull tight. We're just tying a knot in this first step. Next, make one loop. Hold the loop together by pinching it with your fingers. Then, wrap the free lace around the loop and pull through to form a second loop. So wrap around and slide this lace into the space you just made, and pull it out to make a new loop. Finally, pull tight. Take both loops in your fingers and pull like you're tying a knot. It can take lots of practice, so let's go through the steps one more time. First, cross the laces. Push one through the hole and pull tight. Next, make one loop. Then, wrap the free lace around the loop and pull through to form a second loop. Finally, pull tight. There we have it. It looks like Jesse earned his Shoes Tied Tight badge. Practice tying your shoes so you can earn your badge too. See you next time.
Hey, hey.